Imagine a world where you never have to open another app again. No more switching between email, maps, shopping, banking, or calendars. One intelligent AI could do everything for you, with a single command. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's called AI agents, and they may completely change the way we use technology forever. For years, we've interacted with AI by asking questions and receiving answers. But AI agents are different. Instead of simply responding, they can plan, make decisions, and complete entire tasks on your behalf. Think of them as digital employees, working tirelessly without breaks, managing complex jobs from start to finish. This shift could become the biggest change in computing since the invention of the smartphone. Unlike traditional AI chatbots, AI agents don't stop after giving you an answer. They break large goals into smaller tasks, choose the best strategy, and execute each step automatically. If one approach fails, they can adapt, rethink their plan, and continue working without waiting for human instructions. This ability makes AI agents far more powerful than anything we've used before. The race to build the world's most capable AI agent has already begun. OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, Anthropic, and many other companies are investing billions of dollars into autonomous AI systems. Their goal isn't simply to build a smarter chatbot. It's to create AI that can think, plan, and work independently across every industry. The company that succeeds first could completely reshape the future of technology. Soon, AI agents won't just help companies. They'll help ordinary people every single day. Imagine an AI that books your flights, pays your bills, schedules your meetings, orders groceries, and even plans your vacations, without you lifting a finger. Instead of opening dozens of apps, you'll simply tell your AI what you need. Everything else will happen automatically. The rise of AI agents isn't a prediction anymore. It's already happening. Every month, these systems become faster, smarter, and more capable of handling real-world tasks. Within the next decade, AI agents could become as common as smartphones are today. The biggest question is no longer whether AI will change our lives. It's how quickly we're ready to adapt to this new era. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. The question is, will you simply watch it happen? Or will you be part of shaping the future? Subscribe to NovaScope AI and Tech and explore the future, one breakthrough at a time.